Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Friday, folks. Let's see if we can wrap up this week on a strong note. Looking decent. I'm looking for something to the upside. See if we can close out this week strong, man. 30 seconds to the market open. Currently have nothing to take right now, so we're gonna wait a little bit. All right, kind of breaking down here. Just a whole lot of nothing right now, man. I do like a play to the downside at this point. I want to give it about 4 more minutes. Like I said, the lower the better. I wouldn't mind this pullback right here, to be honest with you. Things just aren't quite lined up. I want to take this setup, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. This ain't ready yet, though. Like I said, this isn't looking too bad right here, but it's not all the way. Let's see what this next few minutes does, man. I think we got some formulating, man. I would prefer to see a breakdown. There you go. Make those longs nervous a little bit more. Flush them out. Flush them out. All right, let's try our luck, guys. See if we can close this week strong. Microphone. We don't have time for those problems right now. All right, guys. Apex locked in for the week. Nice and quick, baby. That's how we like it. Honest days of work, you know. If you blinked, you missed it. Blinked, you missed it. Call me the Nasdaq whisperer. All right, we got a break. Going for the retest here. Yeah, probably not gonna get that retest. We getting paid up in here, you feel me? We getting paid. If we ain't making no money, we're learning something, so we still getting paid. You feel me? If we ain't learning, we earn it, you know? We ain't earn it, we learn it. If we ain't learn it, we earn it. Let me get focused here. Stick to those breaks, man, and those pullbacks, you'll get right. I mean, there's really only so much you can do in the market when you think about it. Like, when you really sit down and look at the charts, it's like you can only trade breakouts, pullbacks, support resistance bounces. You know, there's only so much. We did get our break. I'm gonna go ahead and go for the MA. S&P 500 slips. Heads for worst week since April. Who cares? People be like, hey, Yamon, have you, is the market okay, man? I heard it drop, man. I'm like, man, what are you talking about? Talking about that little 2% drop yesterday. We eating that for lunch, man. I really would love to see a breakout, just a mean break to the downside. We already broke. Oh shit, I'm in. Let's see top step. Let's go. Try to finish off strong, man. Let's see if we can do it, man. Let's see if the market's gonna give us what we want. Hey, we're out of there. Perfect week, man. 4 days, 8 trades, 8 wins. 1 win is supposed to be a loss, but we got out of there unscathed. So we did good, guys. We did good. Anybody else catch that? Hell yeah, man. That's what we do. That's what we doing here, man. We're in and out. 9:07. We're late. We're actually kind of late, man. I don't know. This ain't no good day, man. We supposed to be done by 9 o'clock, man. Everything worked out in our favor this week, guys. So we're good. You know, just gotta keep going. I mean, you know, I know how it is. Man. Top Step funded, guys. I just noticed that 1 account locked in. So that's good news. If anybody hasn't joined the Discord, join the Discord. I got some stuff cooking up for the future. Things that are gonna answer people's questions a little bit more. That way, you know, if somebody asks me something, I can kind of just point them to a channel or whatnot. or just a section in Discord that's just gonna be for educational purposes. You wait for resistance / support to be broken and then enter the retest. Yeah, that's all I do. In the simplest form, that's basically all I do. And also, if the momentum catches some momentum like this, like say like the reason why I say okay, I'm hoping for a breakdown. I'm hoping for a breakdown. You know, I said that because if we break down from here, we break these lows. I know a pullback to this moving average there's a high probability that we're going to drop again, right? And this pullback to the moving average is actually, it's also a pullback to this support right here. You know, the market works in twos, so you always want to look for like two highs, two lows, double tops, double bottoms. So for instance, right here, 1, 2, draw your area of support. There's more to what I do, but this is the basic concept. Like you can make money just doing this right here. Break a support, retest. Break, retest. This is a retest right here, but you retest the lows. Like these lows right here, these wicks, you retest the wicks, basically. Sometimes you don't always get the close. You could have played a break of this low right here. Break, close. Yeah, you just don't want to get the break. You want to make sure you get a candle that closes below this break. And then you get a retest. Retest, fall back down. You know what I mean? Sometimes you get like a pullback back into the range. That's okay. That's why you want a decent stop. Same thing right here, break, retest. You just watch me take that one. And now you got another. So like right here, we got a breakdown. And now I would be looking to get in on this retest right here for 20 points. So from 730 to 710, that would be my profit target. 710 would be my profit target. Boom, right there. That's money right there. And you just keep doing this to the upside, to the downside, whatever. Now the reason why I say, you know, like earlier I said I wasn't taking a breakdown, that's because I wait till the 5-minute chart is lined up. Like right here, we had breakdowns earlier. I'll go back and show you. This breakdown right here, I didn't take that because the 5-minute chart is still kind of in the range. And I just waited for it to break down and then I started looking for, you know, now we're in a downtrend. Like the 5-minute broke down, now we're in a downtrend on lower time frames. And that's when I started getting in on retest on the 1 minute, if that makes sense. Imagine the liquidity if the whole world had access to like Nasdaq, the contract. That would be crazy. The market movement would be insane. Man, got this top step locked in. So all I need is 5 days of $200 profit and I can withdraw from this account. But like I said, you also got to look at this level right here. See, because you can pull back to more than one pivot at a time. This low right here, could have bought that pullback too. Like I said, we are kind of basing out. We had a low right here that held. We can easily break to the upside. But you also want to stick to the previous leg. So this leg right here, you want to trade in that direction till the trend breaks, right? And you got to think, you know, like, hey, we're at this 30-minute level of support right here. So think about this. This is a 30-minute chart. If we break down from here and we close, what can we do? We can play a break and retest on a 30-minute chart. It's the same thing. Like right here, I'm gonna delete. Like this 30-minute chart, like say we're before the open, say we're right here. These candles don't exist yet. Had you drawn your resistance, you could have played a break and retest like near the open. Like price broke and retest this level. Like if you go back, you can see. I think it's on a 1 minute. Where we at? Oh yeah, right here. See how we broke? We rose pre-market, we consolidated, we broke down, pulled back to that same 30-minute retest level and bounce. You could have played that bounce. Same thing. But the thing about that 30-minute is that stop loss. You got to have a hell of a stop loss to trade a 30-minute chart. Again, I don't like to count 1-bar pullbacks as a pivot. I don't look at that as a pivot. Like this right here is a pivot because you got all of these bars, right? You can pivot off of this. Think of it like you can pivot off of that. You can't pivot. There's nothing to pivot from right here. There's not a pivot. You know what I mean? This is a pivot. This is a pivot point right here. This is where price turned and went. You know what I mean? Same thing with this right here. This is a pivot because you got at least 2 bars. I got to have at least 2 nice bars to consider it a pivot. Now I will look for a break and retest at this level right here. So the perfect setup right now would be a nice little breakdown and a retest of this level right here. That'd be the perfect trade. When I say breakdown, I want to see all these lows get broke. I want to see a new leg down, or initially not even just a new leg down, just a nice bar. Nice bar. I do like it right here though. If you're short, if you got short in through here, I like that. Now see, this is what I'm talking about right here. This is what I'm looking for. But if you guys want some, if I had to recommend one book, it'd probably be The Art and Science of Technical Analysis by Adam Grimes. The Art and Science of Technical Analysis by Adam Grimes. The market literally runs on breakouts. If you're trending, there was a breakout before. There's breakouts within that trend. You know what I mean? Like, price has to break out to go up or down. Literally. If price is going sideways, it's bouncing between support and resistance. Just play the support and resistance. Like pick out, like go to your charts and just mark out your pivots and mark out the breaks. Eventually you're gonna be like, whoa, like I'm starting to see the setups. Trade one of these a day within the first hour of the day, man. It's money, man. I'm telling you. Yeah, if it goes back to the resistance, I put it in a sell order like that. Or you can play a pullback to the 13 or 12 EMA. This is the 12, I believe. Beautiful, beautiful. It don't get no more textbook than that, man. The Nasdaq is just beautiful. I don't know what to say, man. It moves, it's liquid, it's clean. A lot of people say it's volatile, but when you step back and know what you're looking for, man, it's just so clean. Such a clean trader. Need about 1,200 more to hit payout. So 3 more wins, it will be a payout on the Apex counts. We did well. We did well. I think we can come back next week and do the same thing. But yeah, guys, man, I hope y'all did y'all thing today, man. If y'all got any questions, go to Discord, hit me up. Feel free to use my code. Like I said, I do want that custom code, so appreciate anybody who uses that. Y'all have a great weekend, man. Y'all be safe. Put that money in your pockets, and I'll catch y'all later, man. Mun the Trader, I'm out, man.